You buy your dream home, excited. Then reality hits. The hidden costs no one talks about. Imagine standing in Home Depot line, exhausted, buying supplies for yet another repair. You buy a $350,000 house, mortgage $2,100 a month. Feels manageable until the surprises start. AC dies, $7,000. Roof leak, $4,500. Water heater, $1,800. Total $13,300 in just 8 months. Average homeowner spends $21,400 a year on hidden costs. That's none $1,783 extra every month. The old 1% maintenance rule? Outdated. Real cost, 2 to 3% of home value, $7,500 yearly. 46% of homeowners face unexpected repairs over $5,000. 44% get their first big one in year one. Budget $4,800 for maintenance? Reality, $15,000 in 1 year. The gap is brutal. Property taxes, average $3,500 a year, rising 4.2% annually. In high-tax states, double that. HOA fees, median 135 month now, up massively since intensity, 10K, 50K. Americans spent $526 billion on home repairs last year. Costs double-digit up in many categories. Houses deteriorate faster than you think. Supply chains, weather, labor shortages, costs keep climbing. 44% of listings in HOAs. One surprise assessment, thousands wiped from savings. Costs vary wildly. Hawaii 34K a year hidden, West Virginia 12K, but 87% face issues. Home isn't always an asset. It's often a liability disguised as one. Rent versus own math. 400K home owning $3,413 month versus rent $2,000. Renting saves big. Over 30 years, renter invests difference and ends with $1.6 million. Owner nets $799K after selling. Renting often 40 to 50% cheaper when you invest the savings difference. HGTV sells the dream. Reality, renovations cost way more than shown. Maintenance plus taxes plus HOA plus repairs, insurance, and massive monthly drain. Before buying, calculate all costs. Many regret it when the surprises hit. Renting isn't failure. It's smart if it builds wealth faster. See you next time. Don't fall for the homeowner myth. Run the real numbers first. See you next time. Make informed choices. If this video helped you see the hidden costs clearly, smash that like button and drop a comment. Subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss these real money truths. See you in the next one. Start protecting your wallet today. Take care.